Well, I didn't mark off Oregon, but I was successful in Oregon so far. Hit the Jake. I played around. I couldn't really tell. I was like with him all morning, and I probably should have known better. But I'm like the birds up here don't have much for beards, and so I'm really struggling with that. And they wouldn't strut and they wouldn't gobble, but they're the only, or like they gobbled 3 times this morning. The only birds I heard all morning. Only birds I found. So that just means I get to buy another tag and get to shoot another turkey. Oh no. Have fun.